A helpless seagull tied to a lamppost by fishing wire had a dozen firefighters come to its rescue. The incredible video was recorded by Michael Gallagher in Scotland, who was out having lunch when he saw the commotion and was astonished by the size of the rescue. There were at least 10 firefighters there, and I was surprised, he said to SWNS. Scottish Fire and Rescue Service used a cherry picker in order to free the distressed bird. It was dangling from the streetlight, and I did feel sorry for it. It was completely stuck up there, Gallagher commented, but rescuers were able to cut the fishing line and freed the bird.